Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to ferment and make your own hot sauce. First, understand that fermentation is a natural process where microorganisms transform food, creating complex flavors and extending shelf life. For hot sauce, we'll use a simple salt brine to encourage the right kind of bacteria. This method is not only delicious, but also a fantastic way to preserve your harvest. Let's gather our supplies and get started on this exciting culinary adventure. Now, let's prepare our ingredients. Start by selecting your favorite fresh peppers. Bell peppers, habaneros, or jalapenos all work wonderfully. Wash them thoroughly and remove the stems. You can chop them into uniform pieces or even leave them whole if they are small. Remember, keeping the seeds will increase the heat level of your final sauce. Next, create your brine using non-iodized salt and filtered water. With your peppers and brine ready, it's time to begin fermentation. Pack your chopped peppers tightly into a clean glass jar. Pour the brine over them, making sure all peppers are completely submerged. This is crucial to prevent mold. Use a fermentation weight or a small, brine-filled bag to keep everything below the surface. Seal the jar loosely or use an airlock, then store it in a cool, dark place for 1 to 2 weeks. Once fermentation is complete, it's time for the exciting part. Blending. Carefully transfer your fermented peppers and some of the brine into a blender. Blend until you achieve your desired consistency, adding more brine if needed for a thinner sauce. You can strain it for a super smooth finish or leave it a bit chunky. Bottle your delicious creation in clean bottles and store it in the refrigerator. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.